What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is an awesome day and it's super sunny out, and it's finally going to be hitting above 50 degrees, actually closer to 60s today, which is awesome, which means I get to put on the wickedly boosted banners and my social media banners. If you guys saw those like last week or something, I think I got them in. I can't wait, but right now it's still a little chilly out. I need it to be about 50 degrees out to put these on, so that way the car's warm enough for the glue to stick and it not to come back off. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash the car, and kind of just get it ready to go. And then once it hits about 50 plus degrees out, I'm gonna go ahead and stick the stickers on and show you guys how I'm gonna do that.
You know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you.
These are kind of the stickers I'm putting on. So these four are from Vinyl Status. Go check them out. Use all caps VS deals. I'll go ahead and put that like on the screen somewhere around here. Get 10% off, or go to my Instagram and I've got the code on my profile there. And then these three all are from Wickedly Boosted. If you want 10% off there, just use code Miller10. We're going to be using the glass cleaner. You're going to need a cloth, and then some masking tape and a measuring tape. So let's get to it. When putting this on, you always want to just kind of double check that, so it's not stuck, like it's not sticking to the transfer paper. So if it's not doing that, we'll turn it over. Just kind of take your credit card or whatever. You're just afraid to say. And then flip it over. It's not even gonna come off now.
Real love, now I see you, and I'll make it through to find the life that we once had. I see it now.
So now we're good. Let's try this out again. Yep, see, we're good now. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead, kind of get this placed where I want it. So right about there. Put that piece of tape on there. And then kind of mark out where I want it.
I feel it now. Real love, now I see you. Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now.
So there's that. Just kind of have it at the corner here. So now I'll take this back off and go ahead and take off the backing and then stick it back on. We see how that turns out.
Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out.
Just make sure it's all should be good now. So we'll go ahead and take it up. Just take it nice and slow at a nice sharp angle. Alright, so there it is, guys. Angelo Miller official, go check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other side real quick, and then we'll throw on the YouTube.
Show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Alright, final result. Turned out pretty good. It's kind of what it looks like from afar, so not too bad. Alright, so now I've got the big banner, which is going to go on the front. Kind of show you guys what that's going to look like. Alright, so this is kind of where it's going to be going. Not too bad. Maybe get it raised up a little bit. And then we'll be good to go. Alright, so the technique with this is you're going to want to, it's going to be the same thing, same idea, but instead you're going to be using the measuring tape to kind of measure the height of where you want it, and then make sure the tape off all your points, and then once again kind of square it out. That way you're getting a nice and even level sticker going across the windshield.
Times we had, I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad.
Guys, just to show you what not to do. So we're looking pretty good for the most part, and then the K. So we'll see what happens when we put it on there, but yep, definitely messed that up.
I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Alright guys, so check it out. This is kind of what it looks like from far away. You really can't tell that I messed it up, but obviously if we get up close, you're definitely gonna be able to tell. And yeah, there you go. So that's kind of the K. And yeah, while I was putting it on, it messed up the D, and mainly the D there. The E had a little bit of a mess up there. It really just wasn't wanting to stick to the car. All right, so sooner or later, I'll probably have to put something else on, but for now, it's good enough. First time doing it, like I said, it just didn't really stick too well. But it looks sweet, as you guys can tell. I don't know if it was just the stuff I sprayed on there that didn't help, or the temperature, but yeah, just something I did. If you guys got any tips, just throw them down below, and let me know if you guys have any idea why that didn't stick as well as what I was wanting it to. I did take my time on it, trying to put it on the window, so throw any tips down below and let me know what you think. All right, so obviously my car's not boosted yet, keyword yet, but it's gonna be kind of funny driving around with this wickedly boosted sticker on, because people are gonna see it and think that the car is boosted and try to race me. But I don't know, we'll see what we get from people, but sooner or later it will happen. Just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You want to see that happen, and then comment down below your thoughts and, you know, how it looks. And make sure you guys follow my Instagram profile, Angela Miller Official. You've seen that a bunch today in today's video, so check that out. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.